Hello viewers and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm at the University of New South Wales High Street tram stop. And now departing. For a Renwick service we have Sedona 605s, 45 and 46. Stopping at Renwick only, which has just come to the red light just up the track here. Waiting for the traffic signals to clear. Then we'll proceed to Renwick, which is just a short walk from here. And we should have Sedona 605s, units 23 and 24 for a circular quay service, which will stop next at Wannsee Road and all stations to Central Chalmers Street, then Haymarket, Chinatown, then continues to Circular Quay. There goes Sedona 605s, 44 and 43 for a Renwick service. Should be stopping next at Renwick only. And we should have another Sedona 605 shortly arriving into University of New South Wales High Street. Just gonna walk down there, viewers. Sedona X05 units 11 and 12. And a Renwick service arriving into University of New South Wales High Street. Units 37 and 38. And there goes Sedona X05 trams 37 and 38 for our Renwick service, stopping next at Renwick. And here comes Sedona X05s, 45 and 46 again for a circular quay service. 45 and 46 now departing University of New South Wales High Street for a circular key service, whilst we have Cedars XO5s 19 and 20 for a Randwick service. And we have Cedars XO5s, units 3 and 4, just awaiting departure for a Randwick service, stopping at Randwick only. And a circular key service arriving into the platform here at University of New South Wales High Street, 38 and 37 again. Anyway, viewers, I am going to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. And also don't forget to please ring the notification bell to receive updates about my latest releases. And thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. And I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.